Today we're going to look at the Southord pin lockpick set with the keyring. If you notice, it comes with 3 different tension wrenches that are spares and the keyring itself. Let's take a look at the tool. So this is a pretty easy operation. What we're going to do is unscrew the top here, then remove the tension wrench. Set that aside there. And now we've got several picks inside here, so let's get these out. This set comes with a good amount of picks and very versatile set. So sometimes they get stuck in there a little bit. There we go. Okay, so let's set the handle out here and let's arrange our picks to where you can take a better look at them. As I'm going through these, you can see your deep force pick, which is a very popular pick. Also your double ball and your long hook. Got some diamond and snake or jag picks in there. Some kind of odd picks as well. A long hook, another snake, a rake, a diamond or extractor, and a little ball curved hook pick there. So as you can see, this set comes with a good amount of picks for the size of the set and how compact it is. So to use this, it's very simple. We're going to take a pick here, unscrew the top of this just slightly, slide in the pick and tighten it. Once that tightens down, you have your handle and your pick. You can grab one of your tension wrenches, and now you can use both of those together. Works out for a handy little tool. This is the Southord pen lockpick set with keyring. Okay, now to put this set back together, it's pretty easy. We're just going to grab all the picks here and just slide them in there and do the same with these. Okay, 2 more. Put our tension wrench on here. And then screw the top on. Easy as that. And there you go. This can be purchased from boughtmylock.com.